Good day, people.
Hello, people.
What's up, people?
Hello.
It's a sunny Saturday here in Switzerland.
Let's see how many S's we can get. So we can get Sebas, spring, Switzerland, Saturday, sunny, and what did we just do?
Shopping.
Shopping. There you go. So sunny, spring, Swiss, shopping, Saturday, Sebas. Shopping is what we just do. So, as you can tell by the title of this vlog, it's going to be a little different than the vlogs we've ever done before, because this vlog is titled Date Night. So, the idea is
every so often
after,
sweeps me off my feet.
you know, every so often I have to inspire this little one here so you can know what it's like to serenade a female that he is interested in.
Yeah.
So it's going to be date night between Wife for Life and I.
Yeah.
Jay's going to be behind the camera, and Wife for Life and I are going to take you guys through what we're
do on a
going to
date.
do. Make sure you can see us and see what we're doing. Yeah.
Yeah, so
So-
sometimes we go into Centre Zurich and we go to like a wine bar or a little restaurant, have a little bite to eat, and sometimes we have date night at home.
Right.
And tonight, date night at home.
In Zurich, we have our favorite restaurants.
Yeah.
You know, Zurich got a lot of restaurants, but we've got our favorite.
Yeah.
And we love cocktails, so we have our favorite cocktail bar in Zurich. But tonight, we're going to do a date at home.
Yeah.
But we're not just going to take it for granted because we live here. We're going to go all out, you know.
Dress it up.
Just like how we would have done if we
went out.
went out. So we created a menu for ourselves.
Yes. So the starter for this menu is shrimp salad.
Right.
Because we both love shrimps.
Yeah. And for shrimp salad, while we're doing that, we can show what we bought for that. So we've got some salad
And shrimps.
some shrimp.
We've got tomato, cucumber and everything that's already in the fridge.
For the main,
We decided on salmon tonight.
we bought some salmon first.
Yeah.
And
We're gonna have that with potatoes.
we bought
Big bag of
a
potatoes.
whole sack of potato. We don't need this much potato.
Some corn on the cob. Corn on the cob.
Yeah. Broccoli. The plan initially was
String beans.
But-
Green beans.
We didn't find anything, so we just.
We'll just look for broccoli.
yeah.
The next best green thing.
There was string bean, but they were frozen string beans, so
Oh, was
opted
it?
to this.
Oh, I
Yeah, I
didn't
did
see
see
that.
string, but I didn't want frozen anyway.
Yeah.
And
So, is that it? Oh, that's the, yeah, I bought some additional iceberg salad. That's just to slice up and add to the other salad.
let me go back to the menu again. Starter will be shrimp salad. Main course is salmon fillet, diced potatoes, string beans. We don't have string beans, so we will have
Broccoli.
broccoli. And we'll have corn on the cob and coleslaw with raisins.
Yes.
Yeah.
Special ingredients.
Dessert is special to us because when Wife for Life and I first started dating, we used to go to a restaurant and we used to always have chocolate
Chocolate fudge cake.
cake.
With ice cream.
and ice cream.
Now, I'm going to be, I'm a chef. You must all know that I'm a chef and I cook and I bake. But I'm going to cheat this time.
Doing it the easy way this time.
Doing it the easy way, so I don't have a lot of work to do in preparing this meal.
Right,
Although
so
hobby will help.
yes. So the idea is we both gonna cook.
Yeah.
You know, we're both gonna put our hands in. But when it comes to the baking,
Leave
That's
it up
her
to me.
department.
that's
So
the
I'm
part.
still cheating, but this is a quick packing mix, and you just add eggs and butter, I think, and milk.
And also
And that's
extra
chocolate. That's chocolate and double cream is there, that bowl on.
Yeah.
So that and that together is going to make a chocolate ganache, which is like a fudge icing kind of thing on the
That
cake.
goes over it.
Yes.
And the dessert would not be completed without some
Ice cream.
vanilla ice cream. It's seriously hot at the moment, so we're gonna put this
Put that
in the fridge. In the freezer.
Okay.
We're gonna have a date night.
Yeah. What do we have to have? Strawberries.
So I have to have
And
some
cream.
strawberry
And
and
cream.
some whipped
Yeah.
cream. So you know, I'm gonna actually spray this like in a bowl So I can, you know, after these are peeled and washed, you know, then I can just feed her like, you know, a little baby that she is. Yes. So. And of course.
You cannot forget.
A nice cold bottle of bubbly.
Prosecco.
So this is Prosecco. We don't really like champagne.
No.
It always leaves us with a headache.
Yeah.
We seem to have that in common. So we go a notch down. Prosecco. So that's pretty much it for the date night. we bought some other things, but
those are just
like extra things that we needed. Oh, I bought
lemon juice.
I bought this lemon juice because after our meal and after the Prosecco, then I'm gonna mix one of our favorite cocktails, a basic cocktail. It's just a margarita.
Yes.
You know, so margarita required tequila, Cointreau, lemon juice, and some salt.
Which
so,
we have.
yeah, we've got all the ingredients for that. So we'll definitely take you guys through the day so y'all can see what exactly
we do on our date night.
we do on a date night. But we're gonna try our best to take them through the steps as we prepare the meal. You know, without dragging it out, create like a montage, pop, 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 pop. So
this little one, well, big one, he will be confined to his room.
He's gonna assist in the camera and everything, but after the meal, to make it feel originally like a date, you know, we'll exempt Jay. So by that time, he'll probably be playing games or
in his room,
on his phone or whatever. So we'll have like a little romantic setup just for Wife for Life and I.
Yeah.
Then after that's over, then Jay can come out and probably join us.
Fool's gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know?
So, as you can see, the coleslaw has been made, the homemade mayonnaise, the coleslaw is all being mixed together with the raisin.
Well, let's tell the story. We forgot the mayonnaise.
I made my homemade mayonnaise because we forgot it at the supermarket. And I've made it a few times before, so it was easy. We had eggs, we had oil.
And I was behind the camera, so all those super duper footage that you just seen
was from him.
That's from, you know, my artisticness behind the camera.
Well, the cake's out of the oven. I didn't show you that because it was just an easy packet mix. Just mix it up. There it is.
Yeah.
It's glorious.
Just gotta wait for it to cool down so I can make the fudge icing, the ganache. And yes, that will be out of the way, so that can be set aside for a minute.
Okay.
And now I'm going to prepare the main course.
Well, we are. I'm gonna help too.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know.
He hasn't helped so far.
How did you think
He's
these?
just held the camera.
How did you think the footage got?
Yeah.
How did you guys? How did you all see the footage? That was my help. We've got 3 pots out and ready, and one is for the.
Well, we actually need 2 because I just read the corn and the cob is actually cooked already. So what we have to do is just like maybe brown it in the frying pan. It's already cooked.
Yeah, brown it in a frying pan.
Yeah, like roast it.
Well, stick it in the oven then.
In the oven then.
Yeah, oven. See, that's even my input, cooking wise. You know. So, all right, let's get on with this. We're gonna put these burners on, and
peel some. Maybe Jay can do the peeling of the potatoes. He can help a bit.
Yeah.
Peeling of the potatoes
Yeah.
and washing them and
Yeah.
dicing them.
Yes, I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fools gold. Yes, I did it all for love. Yes, I did.
Getting ready for my hot date. You know, she should know I'm coming soon. Oh, here she is. Gotta smell sweet from a hot date as well. Might be lucky. Might get a kiss. You never know. Have you got some sweet smelling for your hot date? So
Allure. Just spray some allure.
she's got Allure and I've got Invictus. Is it Invictus or Invictus?
Oh, she put on a good girl.
So she should be putting on her good gown. Oh, my house slippers is still on the ground, so I need to get all the mess out. Might be lucky, might be able to take her home. She might be coming back home with me. So, gotta send you to one of your friends or something.
Girlfriends.
Yeah. So,
Okay. What time are you going to pick me up?
20 minutes.
wait, I'm not fully dressed yet, you know. Gotta help a brother out with his jacket.
Should be the other way around.
Thank you, ma'am.
No problem, sir. So,
So-
here we are.
There we are, looking spiffy.
Mr. this is
Yes. Okay,
Für
so,
und Frau's was.
little montage. This is my date for the night,
Yes.
you know.
Very
So,
pleased to meet you.
yes.
Heard a lot
Yeah.
about you, you know.
Yeah, I'm very famous, you know.
Yes.
I'm very particular with who I date, but my son insists that I needed to have a spouse. So he found you for me. And
Thank
here
you,
we are.
kind sir.
You know, I don't know anything about this technology and dating apps and stuff, so he found you and here we are. So, Mary,
Thank you.
so
Lovely restaurant.
the table is set and I should be the gentleman that I am.
Thank you.
Oh, hold on, I gotta put a Jared in with you. Yes. Then, yes, My butler has prepared prawn cocktails, as you can see.
It's very nice indeed.
Yes.
Looking forward to that.
You enjoyed your salad?
It's very nice.
Yes. What's actually prawn cocktail? My butler, Italian. Stay in character. She's not staying in character. It's a vlog, but at the same time, it's a day. We've got our photographers, the flash that's going on. That's Jay doing this thing. So, it's a personal, semi-romantic day.
Yes.
I say semi because you guys are involved.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us. And now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know.
Disaster of the napkins. We had more red napkins, but white was already folded. So my date is going to use the bathroom while the waiter get the main course together. By the time it comes back, I'm sure my date will be punctual. She'll be back at the same time. So let me go check on her as a gentleman should do. So, is the meals ready? That is our salmon meal. You know, if you could hurry up and get it to the table before my date comes back, I would really appreciate it. I'll help you. I'll even take it to the table myself. Oh, there you are. I was just about to come and get you in the bathroom, you know.
Just have to powder my nose.
Yeah, tell the waiter to hurry up because this is a special occasion for us.
Oh, he's forgotten something. We ordered coleslaw, did we not?
Yes, we ordered coleslaw. So, should we tell him to serve it separately? All right. Main course is here,
Wow, looking good.
and
Ooh, the second. Wow, we went all out.
so cheers.
Cheers.
Yes. Enjoyed the date so far.
It was wonderful.
I was
Food was
wondering,
nice, company great.
all evening I'm trying to initiate a kiss, but you keep looking away.
Oh.
You know, I figure with such expensive meal. I deserve it.
You do.
Yes, don't you guys think the same? Alright, don't answer yet. How's the date going?
It's going very well. I think
Okay.
I like you. I'll take you home.
So we took a break after the main because we
Yeah.
were really full.
Yeah.
You know, so
And we need room for that chocolate
for the
cake.
chocolate cake. So what's gonna happen right now is Wife for Life is gonna deal with the chocolate cake. But
Yeah.
before she does that, I'm gonna deal with my margarita.
Oh yes.
So we can get that out
Get
the
that
way.
done.
so you guys can watch me as I do my thing.
Get the cocktail
So,
shaker.
If you see, I've got Contra, which is considered triple sec, and tequila. Some ice cube. So I'll get a tray of ice cube. Got my ice cube, lemon juice, tequila, and everything. Cocktail book. It's pretty much A to Z book. So I need margaritas, so I go to M. It's there. So I need 2 shots of tequila, 1 Contra, and 1. Okay, very easy. So let me add some ice. We got ice, we got tequila, we got Contra. 1 more tequila, just for date night's sake. Good thing is that we're drinking this at home, so
There's no cab to fall out of,
yeah.
or train or tram to fall off.
And this is our lemon juice, and closing down tight. Take them up.
Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise.
Shaken, not stirred. Margarita glasses. We've got 2. We got the salt. And put the salt on the plate. Don't need all that salt, but more is enough. And then I use the hot water and I run it around the rim, and then boom, salted rim. And all you need to do now is pour your... Well, we had to stop just now because we've been filming all day with the G7X and the battery just went, so now we're up on the iPhone. Back to what I was saying. Tequila, pour into your glass, pour into your other glass. We're back using our iPhone.
Wow,
it feels weird.
Back to the Stone Age.
Yeah. So I'm gonna charge the
G7X.
G7X at the moment, so let's do that real quick. Unfortunately, we've only got 1 battery for the G7X.
Yeah, we need to buy another one.
We need to buy
soon.
another one so we don't have situations like these. Cheers to you guys.
Cheers, margarita style.
Nice.
So, as you see me do earlier, I made chocolate ganache. It's set. I put it in the fridge for a few minutes and it's set nice. So I'm going to cover the cake in this.
We're coming down to the close of our date night.
Yes. We
it was-
decided to take it to the office.
Yes, because we had a little accident at the dining table. While Wife for Life was blowing out the candles, she accidentally blew the wax as well, and it
all
went
over the table.
all
and
over the
chair,
table. So
and his jacket.
and my jacket. So that's a job we have to deal with in the morning because you know how it is when you try to get rid of wax and it's not dry. So anyway, other than that, it was a great date night.
It was fabulous. I enjoyed it.
Margarita was good. As you can see, we're back on the G7X. And we're about to have
It's a lovely chocolate cake.
chocolate cake. We're extra full, but we gotta see the 3-course meal
Of course, got to see it
straight
through.
through.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm gonna eat because this shirt is a close fit shirt, but at the moment it feels real tight. I feel kind of pregnant, you know, wearing it. So I'm just gonna eat this meal
Yeah.
and catch you guys in the next vlog.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And welcome
I
to
hope
our
you enjoyed it. Yeah.
and welcome to our new subscribers.
Okay.
We've gained a few more subscribers.
Yeah, about
so-
3 more in the last 2 days.
Yes,
So thank you for subscribing.
And until our next vlog,
Ciao for now.
ciao for now.